Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G72 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold the application and drag the zip to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications, you can make it by the same way. Just to give a name or rename the folder, click here on the name once and enter the new name. Now we can see that we just successfully renamed it. If you want to move the folder here on the screen or between the screens, or if you want to create the new screens for the folder, you just should hold it and after that just drag it to another screen or position. Just to remove the folder, the application from the folder, you should hold it and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application here on the home screen. And if you want to remove application from the whole folder and from the home screen, you should hold it and drag it here to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.